Good afternoon to everybody. When my daddy and mommy decided to enroll me at the Catanduan State College's preparatory school, they did not tell me. I just knew when I was already inside the home with other children of my age. I thought my daddy and mommy and my lola and lolo were already tired of taking care of me at home in my kakulitan. How I cried when mommy left me inside the home with people I did not know. And Sally, after beautiful pictures, tried to tell us stories about fairies, about kings and queens. I started to like my new place. I did not tell your stories, but also learn how to do shapes, sing wonderful songs, count numbers, read and write new words, and behave properly. I already have new friends, and all my classmates became my friends. I like them because they are kind. We share sandwich and fruit juice, and we play many games. I've also said to those that we have to prepare assignments and recite in the class. Maybe I was able to show my best because my Lola Fishing held me very, very tightly. After my teacher told her that I have to deliver a speech on my graduation day, being the class valedictorian. Of course, even today, I do not understand the word. All I know is that I made many people happy and proud, especially my parents, lolas and lalas. I now would like to thank my beautiful teachers, Teacher Maylene Lopez and Teacher Russell Molina. Your love, patience, understanding, and care have made us, your pupils, enjoy school. You have taught us many wonderful things. We will never forget you. To my best schoolmates and classmates, thank you for the games you have played. Your dearest parents for sending us to school to learn more values you've already taught us, love, honesty, and respect. Also to Professor Asti San Juan, CPO Manager, and Dr. Lia V. Brenias, CPO Project Manager, for the best services you provide to our school. Above all, to Papa Justus and Baba Bear for giving me a wonderful family, especially Daddy Alvin and Mommy Sarah, my little handsome brother, Baby MM, Lola Christine and Lolo Tuboy, Lola Nance and Lola Queen, Mommy King and Mommy Rose, Tita Lai and Tito Aljo, my uncles and my aunties and my great-grandparents, Tatay Laloy, Mama Lang and Papa Lang, and also for giving me the best school, Catanduanes State Colleges, which is President Dr. Asuncion Villacatre, and the three Vice Presidents, Dr. Aida A. Janela, Dr. Susan T. Santelices, and Dr. Moises L. Criado. Thank you and congratulations.
Wow. Bye.